Set your laptop on a flat desk and tap the corners. If it rocks back and forth, the battery inside is likely failing. This unevenness results from gas accumulation inside the battery pouch, an active chemical hazard known as the spicy pillow. This mechanical symptom identifies a volatile asset that creates immediate physical risks for the user and unmanaged liabilities for the company. Modern laptops use flexible lithium polymer pouch cells, typically housed directly beneath the trackpad and motherboard. As electrolytes decompose due to age or heat, they release flammable gases in a process called outgassing. The resulting pressure forces the battery to swell, warping the device's chassis from the inside. This expansion compromises the battery's internal safety. The thin polymer separators that prevent internal short circuits are now stretched to their limit under extreme mechanical pressure. In this unstable state, the battery is vulnerable. A single physical shock, like a drop or a hard typing strike, can puncture the weakened separator. A puncture triggers thermal runaway, a chemical chain reaction. Within milliseconds, the battery releases stored energy as toxic fumes and a high-velocity jet of fire. Every swollen laptop is a pressurized chemical bomb, requiring only a minor physical trigger to ignite. Beyond the fire risk, a bulging laptop is a documented workplace hazard. The physical signs, like a stiff trackpad or a warped case, make the danger easily recognizable. Leaving a known swollen device in service violates the OSHA General Duty Clause, which requires employers to provide a workplace free from recognized hazards. This creates an insurance gap. Commercial policies mandate a standard of reasonable care, a requirement the company fails to meet by circulating defective hardware. If a fire occurs, insurers may deny the claim and pursue subrogation, recovering costs directly from the organization's bottom line. Maintaining a fleet of compromised batteries bypasses standard safety protections, exposing the company to unrecoverable fire losses and legal penalties. If you notice a laptop wobble or stiff trackpad, stop using the device immediately. Power it down and do not connect it to a charger. Alert your IT department for safe removal. Swollen batteries are hazardous waste and must be handled with protective gear and disposed of at certified facilities. Corporate leadership can mitigate this risk by implementing proactive asset health audits to identify and decommission volatile hardware before it fails. Shifting the organization from a reactive maintenance culture to a proactive safety posture is the only defense against catastrophic chemical and financial liability.